Welcome to my channel. Over the next month or so, I'm going to be releasing a lot of content on the subject of natural testosterone enhancement. I've been studying this subject for a really long time in extreme depth. When I was 19, I was diagnosed with a brain tumor that was causing low T, and I became obsessed with solving my low T without using drugs. And all of this content is in the Master Your T playlist that we're going to be building here on the channel, and it's all in my book, Master Your T, which you can get going to masteryourt.com. You can get it for free. All the information in today's video, plus much more, can be found in my book, Master Your T. Visit masteryourt.com for a free digital download of the book. $20 in value, absolutely free for you. So it's highly likely that you're watching this video or subscribing to my channel right now because you're searching for answers. You're searching for help. Over the years, I've come to see some very predictable patterns in hormonal health optimization. I've focused a lot of my effort to this point on mastering natural testosterone enhancement and fully understanding the collective body of research on the subject. So in doing so, I've developed a simple system that thousands of men have used since then, and they've used it to optimize their T without drugs, rather by using nutrition, training, lifestyle, and strategic supplementation. I've realized this system was not limited to just testosterone enhancement, but could instead be a protocol that can be used to optimize your hormones across the entire body. So to illustrate the system itself, I came up with the idea of the masculine optimization pyramid. Now, the steps on the pyramid embody different levels of focus in order of importance from the foundation upward that you must adhere to if you want to fully optimize key hormones, and in doing so, optimize your health in general. It's a really simple system, and we've had no way of accurately conveying it graphically until now. So the pyramid now solves that problem, making it super easy to visualize. I've also organized the content in this video series over the next month in a manner so that you can easily navigate through the information relevant to educating yourself around specific levels of this pyramid. So now you're probably wondering what the pyramid really is. Let's break it down. So level one, the foundation, is micronutrients. So statistically, you're deficient in a handful of micronutrients, which are causing issues for hormonal optimization. Now, you might not be deficient in all of them, but there are likely 5 to 7 of them that you are deficient in and that are negatively impacting your hormone production. These are the top 5 micronutrient deficiencies that we've seen in nearly all men. Statistically speaking, you're deficient in these. So this is a great place to start in your self-education and supplementation to eliminate these deficiencies. We got vitamin D, we got zinc, magnesium, boron, and choline. Now, level 2, moving up from the foundation, is nutrition. So this would be the macronutrients and also how you can get micronutrients. So there are micronutrients, which we've just covered, but then there are these macronutrients, which are proteins, fats, and carbs. And above that is the overall calorie intake, which is based on your body and your goals, whether it's fat loss, muscle building, recomposition. Are you eating whole foods in a ratio ideal for hormonal optimization? The following is a list of specific things you should focus on. You got calorie intake, macro ratio, and specific sources of those macros, and increasing micronutrient consumption from whole foods. Next, we have level 3, which is sleep, sex, chemicals, mindset. Living correctly involves doing a handful of the right things daily to facilitate this progress that you're looking for. These include getting adequate sleep, developing a dominant worldview, controlling your habits, and pursuing healthy relationships. This level of pyramid focuses on these specific areas, and we're going to do videos. Sleep, mindset, and meditation. Habits like alcohol and smoking. Sex. Avoiding chemical exposure. We'll get into all these things a little later in this series. The next level is training. We call it testosterone training. Training like a guy should train. Train in a way that activates as much muscle tissue in as short a period of time as possible, facilitating adaptive change without overstressing your body. Bonus points if you focus that training on androgen receptor dense areas, like I talk about in the Thor program. And we're going to look at resistance training and androgen receptor density, the testosterone work principle, staying below the stress threshold, and then daily physical activity in general. Now, the last level, the cherry on top, is intelligent supplementation. So if you're doing everything else right, and you want to get that extra edge without pharmaceuticals, then leveraging specific supplements backed by clinical research to amplify your results towards hormonal optimization is a good idea. So these supplements can be herbs or anything like that have research showing they increase testosterone levels. You got cognitive enhancement, you have general health, you have specific issue problem solving supplements, you have estrogen regulating supplements. So there are a lot of different things. The end result is total hormonal optimization. As a result of working your way up this pyramid, really you're going to have hormonal mastery. You're going to be digging into thoroughly optimizing every level of the pyramid, specifically in this video series. You got all these different hormones you have to optimize: testosterone, DHT, cortisol, SHBG, and free testosterone, estrogen. So last note before we begin this series and kick it off with this broad overview of how the masculine optimization pyramid works, hopefully you can now see and understand how to use this simple system and this simple framework to solve your low T issues. This video series is organized according to providing specific information to you along the lines of this pyramid. Therefore, we encourage you to jump around, watch ahead, watch behind. We're going to build this playlist, so if you're catching this after all of it's released, you can go and just check out the playlist and see it all there. But first, you need to understand how the body and the endocrine system work. So we're going to lay the foundation over this next week and then build on top of that. So subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on the next video. Well, real quick though, if you want a free copy of Master Your T, which has all this information in it in book form, if you're like me and you like to read, you can go to masteryourt.com, and I'm actually giving away the book for free just as a download. All you have to do is enter your email and I'll send you an email with the link immediately and you can get that. I'll also send you a $5 coupon for Testro X, which is our natural testosterone supplement from Umzu, and you can try it out risk-free for 60 days. Let me know if you like it, and let me know if you have any questions, any content you want to see in this video series. Just leave a comment below this video and I'll read all the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. I'll see you on the next video.